welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. So yes guys, in today's video I will be giving you a gift guide for women, what to get your woman for Valentine's Day, for her birthday, for any special occasion. Don't worry, I got you, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is for my men out there. Men, let's get it together this year, okay? Let's be thoughtful. Let's put some thought into what you're getting her. You know, let's just do it right. So you've come to the right place. I have 10 different gift ideas for your woman or whomever that I'm sure she would love. But first, let's just say this. You gotta know your woman. You have to know what she likes, what she doesn't like. So, you know, let's just start there. So this is for the women. And ladies, let me know what I missed or what I should have added or whatever. Let me know, because somebody's gonna see this video. It's gonna help somebody. So, you know, each one teach one. All right. So number one on the list of what to get your woman, get her some perfume. You know, it's gonna put her in a different type of mood. It's gonna help you too. You know, men love to smell women that smell good. So why not get her some perfume, some smell good lotion, some bath bombs, things of that sort that she will love and like. You know, something that's gonna make her feel feminine and sexy. So think about that and get her some perfume. So number two, you can get her a gift basket or a gift bag of her favorite things, her favorite treats, her favorite, you know, whatever. Put it all into a nice little gift bag or gift basket for her, and I'm sure she will love and enjoy it, and she would think that it's so thoughtful. You know, like women, it doesn't take too much to please us. It's just being thoughtful and putting thought into it and show that you're caring and, you know, that it's something that you want to do. So I'm sure she would love you putting those things, you know, that'll show that you've been paying attention, you know, for her favorite items, putting those together for her to have and enjoy. So I'm sure she would like that. So number three, if she's a woman that carries a nice handbag, a nice purse, get her a nice purse. See what brand she like or what she doesn't like. Remember what she's mentioned to you before, certain brands that she wants to try, whether it be like Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, whomever. Get her a nice purse. You don't have to break the bank with that either. You can get something that's, you know, inexpensive but nice. But see what she likes and get her a nice bag. So number four, so a pamper day with getting her hair done, her nails done, her makeup, getting her a massage. She would love that. I don't know any woman that does not want to be pampered, that does not want to feel, you know, wanted and sexy and feminine. I don't know a female that does not want those things. So if you're, you know, spending the time, you know, for her to get her hair done or her nails done and her makeup or no makeup or whatever, she's gonna feel beautiful. She's gonna feel sexy. She's gonna, you know, it's gonna put her in a good mood. Good mood for you. Happy wife, happy life. Next. Number five, you can get her some jewelry, of course. A nice necklace, rings, a bracelet, earrings. See what type of jewelry she likes. She's someone that doesn't like necklaces. Don't get her a necklace. I mean, if she's expressing there's something that she does not want or doesn't like, don't try to change her. So number six, if she's someone that likes to work out or you see that she's trying to lose weight or get on her fitness journey, then definitely get her something to help aid in that, whether it be workout attire, athletic wear. You know, women love to wear that, you know, when we at the gym or not. You can get her some nice workout shoes, some nice home gym equipment or things that she can utilize at home. Things like that she would love and enjoy, especially if she's trying to get her body right. And then again, that's going to show that you've been paying attention and that you're supportive. So I got you. So number seven, you can get her some sexy lingerie, some underwear, something nice that you would like to see her in. You can never go wrong with that. So number eight, you can surprise her at home or at like a hotel room where you have like the room set up with like candles, rose petals, balloons, stuff like that. You can even hire companies to come in and set up for you. That's something that she will love and just be in awe of, and just she'll like that. You know, coming in and you got the room set up, you got some nice music, especially the candles, you know, rose petals. It's gonna set the vibe. So can't go wrong with that. Number 9, a nice dinner. You can even hire a chef to come to your home and cook so that you guys don't have to go out. You know, we still got COVID out here and the restaurants will be packed for Valentine's Day. But you can have someone come to your home and cook, set up and just set the vibe for you guys. Or you can cook her a nice dinner. That way she doesn't have to. So she would appreciate you taking that load off of her as well. So yes, a nice dinner. And number 10, get her some money. Pay a bill, get her some money. That way she can get what she wants to get. You know, whatever. If you feel like you're gonna choose something wrong, just give her the money. Now, just giving somebody some money can seem, you know, I don't want to say unthoughtful, but give me some money, okay? I can get what I want to get. I'm not gonna turn that down like I don't know what woman would. But yeah, get her some money, pay her bill, whatever. Number 11. So again, we're past 10, but I'm gonna give y'all a couple more. So number 11, if she's someone that's into makeup, you can get her like her favorite makeup brands. But again, this will take knowing what her favorite makeup brands are. So if you don't know those things, get her like a Sephora gift card or an Ulta gift card. That way she can get what she wants to get. And number 12, take her on a quick little vacation. You know, quick little getaway, road trip. Doesn't have to be anything too major. Just a change of scenery would change things drastically. So yes. And that's it, fellas. Okay, I gave you guys 10 plus gift ideas for your woman that I'm sure she would love and enjoy. Let me know down below if you plan on getting her any of these things or trying any of these things. Let me know down below. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!